So jumping on this trend of things I would never do as a real estate title attorney, I have three things for you guys today. One being I would not start a divorce before selling my home. The divorce process just holds up the sale of a home so much. I mean, you have lawyers and orders and statements involved. It just makes things so much more lengthy and cumbersome. I just wouldn't do it. I would try to see if we can come to an agreement first, sell the home, then get the divorce. Number two is that I would never put in a minor child on a deed and give them title to a home. It just creates a headache. Like, it's not the asset planning, wealth building tool that you think it is. Trust me on that. If something should happen and you die and that house is left in a minor child's name, that creates a ton of problems involving the probate court. The same thing if you want to go ahead and sell the home before the child reaches the age of maturity or get 18 in most states, it's going to be a headache. So it's other things that you can do if you want to leave your assets. That's something else I would never do, is put a minor child on a deed. And number three, I would never enter a purchase sale agreement for my property unless I was absolutely certain that I wanted to sell it right then and there. Sometimes people use these things, for lack of a better word, as scam, and they have homeowners enter into agreements to sell their home, and it's just, they kind of phrase it as if, you don't have to sell your home right now, but if you ever wanted to sell your home, you're just signing saying that you will offer it to me first. It may create an issue where you may have to pay them tens of thousands of dollars to release your property. So I would not sign any type of contract or agreement unless I had a real estate agent and I had the, intention of selling my property and moving out, not potentially selling it in the future, but selling the property with a closing date in a foreseeable future.